Nothing will take the wind out of your sails like doing a whole video and realize you didn't plug your microphone in. Let's go. So I stopped by Hobby Lobby. I got some Coke cans, cola cans for the scale garage just to mix it up a little bit. I'll just put a few around, maybe crush one, put some in the trash can, make it look like, you know, not necessarily dirty, disgusting shop, but, you know, people leave things around. I've got water bottles all around here. So I got that. Next! Some of my trucks needed shifters made. I don't like the RC four-wheel drive, that big bulky shifter in the middle that they have, and then the column shifter and everything. I wanted to make my own, so I got some of this rod. This is 80 thousandths rod. And then I also got these little beads. They are the same color as the beads that I use on your mother. There is a large bead, medium bead, small bead, and then there's like a rice-shaped bead. I'm thinking maybe I can turn that sideways, drill a little hole in it, and then put it on like kind of like a T-handle shifter. So I'm going to use these to make a shifter. These are super, super colorful and kind of ugly to me, but once I paint them, you'll never know. You'll have no idea what they were. And they were only $3 for all of these. And I didn't buy ones that were even a little bit different because they only come in like packs of 487,000. They're like, I don't need that many beads. Your mom has enough beads that she's made into a string, if you know what I mean. Next, on with my fabrication. I bought a sheet of 10,000, 20,000, and 40,000 thick styrene sheet. I also bought a 60,000 thick styrene sheet, which is 1.5 millimeters for you people that speak communist, and an 80,000 thick, which is 2 millimeters for those of you not in America. Next, I also strolled down the paint aisle and I bought a bunch of paint. So I got green, sublime green, gloss blue, a couple different shades of brown and tan and flat. This is flat rubber. I've never used rubber before. I don't use them with your mom. Don't plan on it now. Silver and aluminum, flat gray, zinc, that yellow zinc, like mustardy butthole color, graphite metallic, which is basically a metallic gray. I got a gloss black, a semi-gloss black, and 2 flat blacks. Then to go along with those, I bought these guys here because I don't have anything to rinse my brushes out. And a lot of times when I'm doing this, especially now that it's 49 degrees outside, I'm going to do a lot of this interior detailing stuff and like the little piddly things that I can do inside the house where it's nice and toasty warm and I can listen to my kids yell and scream at each other and then yell at me and run in front of the TV while I'm trying to watch it. If you know, you know. So the only thing I have is this lacquer thinner, and to take this inside and remain open would mean that me and all 3 of my kids, my fiance and my dog, would all pass out and maybe wake up with massive headaches before the heater turned on and blew up my house.
Explosion that rocked a Pittsburgh suburb on Saturday.
So I'm going to take these, screw the top off, pour a little bit in there, leave this outside, take one of these in there full of thinner, then I can clean my brushes out. Won't be able to leave that bad. Screw it back together. Done diddly. Next, reenactment of what happened before. I saw on RC Every Day where he was messing with this stuff. This is Metal Effects Oxidizing Iron Paint, and this is the activator. I have a couple trucks that are patinaed, and I'm not quite happy with exactly what went on. The Pineapple Crew Cab is one of them. The roof I am not happy with because it's still very smooth, and it's not like that crusty, crunchy, like cornflake dried up on a table when your kids eat breakfast and you come home later kind of feeling. Like, it's just very smooth. So I went ahead and bought this. Some of this, you can brush this on from what I've seen. You can get a little spray bottle and just something like that. I'll probably get one of those. Should have bought that while I was at Hobby Lobby, now that I think about it. But anywho, I got that. This will help me vastly in making more realistic and more nasty, but good nasty. Kind of like your mother. Next, I got this. I threw the box all the way over there, so I can't reenact that. This is the Proline I-beam kit. So I got this in the mail today for a little I-beam kit. This thing sure is small, but hopefully and visually, I guess, it includes everything that I'm going to need. So we have the front I-beams, the supports and everything. Where'd the other one go? Here's the other one. It goes like this and goes like that. You have rod ends and the balls, shafts, screws, all the things I give your mom, shafts and balls and screws. More screws in the rear, which I also give your mom. Whatever these are, I'm not sure. I haven't read the instructions yet. These things, also haven't read the instructions yet. These are your shock towers, which I believe you can run dual shocks up front. And this is, the rear trailing arms and the battery tray. So super cool. That is all for the day. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to check me out Monday nights live on the YouTubes, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, whatever time that is for you, depending on what side of the country or geographically northwest, south you are. We do have a couple of friends up there in the maple syrup land where it's already snowing and frozen. So check me out on Facebook groups, Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board, and I will see you later. Bye! Next up, we have Metal Effects God damn it. Metal Effects Oxidizing Rust. Damn it. Metal Effects Oxidizing Iron. Fuck. Metal Effects Oxidizing. Fuck. Metal Effects Oxidizing Iron Paint and Rust Activator.